Welcome. Let's start by dragging down a video and trimming it down to 8 seconds. Click, then go up to Apply Keyframe to Transform and set the position X to 1940 to move the video off the screen to the right. Move the playhead to 4 seconds, go to Apply Keyframe to Transform, and reset the position X to 0. Move the playhead to the 8-second mark, then go up to Apply Keyframe to Transform, set the position X to -1940, and then preview. Further, click the middle keyframe point, which is 4 seconds. Right-click to copy the video, then move the playhead 1 frame forward, or 401, then add a video track and paste. Again, click the middle keyframe point above, then move the playhead 1 frame forward, or 802 seconds, add a video track, and paste. Once more, click the middle keyframe point above, then move the playhead 1 frame forward, or 1203 seconds, add a video track, and paste. Now, on the second track, go to Media, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and drag another video onto the timeline to replace the current one. Repeat this until all the videos are replaced. Now, preview the video, and you'll notice that the border between the clips is perfectly sized. Further highlight all, then right-click to apply Compound Clip and preview. To remove the black section at the beginning, play the video, move the playhead to 4 seconds, split the clip, and then delete the unwanted part. Play the video towards the end to remove the black section. Move the playhead to 12.4 seconds, split the clip, and then delete the unwanted part as shown. Go to Stock Media and drag down a black color above on the timeline. Extend it to match the duration, then click the color and go up to apply a circular mask as shown. Now scroll down to type 60 in scale, 100 in width, 8.63 in height, and 5.32 in position. Then you will notice that the color moved its position to the top. Further, right-click to copy and paste the black color above. Lastly, click the pasted black color and go up to Mask to only add minus to 532 in position Y, so that it's position at the bottom. So thanks for watching. Kindly leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Also, the template link for this tutorial is in the description.